classmate. I'm Virginia Cataytay. I'm presenting about the Lesson 9, Phases of Curriculum Evaluation. Pero sa inyo ha, unsay na sabda niya about sa phases curriculum evaluation. Ikaw, Kit. Okay, next.
Ang pag-evolve sa curriculum.
The evaluator determines what is to be evaluated, which may be the whole school system, a particular district, a particular region, a particular subject. The objectives of the evaluation activity are clearly stated. So, ang evaluator na kay matadetermine kung sa ihas na evaluates, which is the total school system, particular district, particular level of particular subject. So objectives na rin ay evaluate sa pagkilagyan.
Yes. Second kay data collection. Vincent, may subasa mo.
Identify the information to be collected and the process of collecting the data which may involve interviews, giving of questionnaires, tests, collection of documents, and so forth. The evaluator also identifies the people from whom data is to be collected.
Sabay mo na sa akin.
So, collect of data.
Next. Number 3 is analysis of information. Kaya sa ano ba yan?
The data collected is analyzed and presented in the form of tables and graphs. Statistical tools are often used to compare significant differences and to establish correlation or relationship variables.
Kasi nasabi mo sa analysis.
So, ang analysis is like for example is kana magkuhan ng data like for example if kanang research magamit ang mga tools like mga kuhan dito kaning graph kaninang form of tables percentage of magkanang pag-collect sa data is kanina mo siya makita if dapat siya improvement kay like for example kanang graph kaninang from lowest to
Yes. Number 4. Please go basa again. Number 4. Reporting of information. Reports are written describing the findings and interpretation of the data. Based on the findings, conclusions are made on the effectiveness of curriculum implementation efforts. Recommendations are made to reconsider certain aspects of the curriculum. So, sa dili nga phase or sa dili nga stage kay manaman ta sa analysis, so nanatay word ka na result. So, dili kay dili na nimo mahibaw-an kung asa nga part na effective ug asa pud ang wala. So, sa dili nga kanang stage kay mag-reflection na ka kung kanang effective ba ang imong pagtulong sa imong mga estudyante or dili. Based ra sa kanang data na imo na. Yes. Next. Instrumentation for curriculum evaluation. No matter what evaluation model is used in evaluating a curriculum, the method of data collection and the instruments used are more or less similar. The common instruments used in curriculum evaluation are interviews, observations, tests, survey, content analysis, and portfolio or report of course of content. Ang instrument daw na kagaran na gamiton basta mag-evaluate na ang teachers kay kanang interview, di ba? Mag-interview ng mga students kasi yan ang oral recitation. Like oral recitation. First, try questionnaires and checklists. When you need, please go basa.
When
We need completely and more easily get lots of information from people in an accurate way. Questionnaire and checklists are
questionnaires anonymously and relatively expensive to administer.
Yes, ang questionnaire and checklist no, dili siya kuan bitaw ka ng useful kayo nga data para makuha nimo ang technique sa mga students pa makuha nimo kung sa kuan bitaw para makakuha kayo sila sa next, try interview. Please focus everyone.
Interviews are usually one-on-one situations in which an individual
Ask question to which a second individual, which may be a teacher, principal, student, parent, responds.
The person asking the questions is called the interviewer, while the person giving answers
Answer to the question is called the interviewee. Interviews we are used when you are
fully understand someone's information or experiences or learn more about their interpretation.
Nasabot na naman sa concept review. Yes! But ay di ba na, si Kancheli po yung ihatag ng question ni Edsel kung sa man si Juan Kancheli.
Katong pagsunod ng interview.
Kung sa mga si Kancheli, siya yung ihatag ng question. Interviewer. Dayon, si Juan, si... Ang ihatag sa tubag sa interview. Observation.
To gather accurate information about how a program actually operates, particularly about processes. In other words, the view operations of the
program as they are actually occurring. For example,
the people involved adapt to
events that they occur.
Sige, kanang Edsel. Ganang importante mo kini ang observation. Trisha, ikaw siya. Sige, Kancheli. Ganang importante man na ang observation.
So, kung mag-teacher ta kay, dapat mag-obserbahan ng mga students nyo. Dapat kung nasa kay kuan, importante sa dito ang observations kay kanang aral mo makita ang mga kuan sa mga students.
Para makita niyo ang strength of the body. Documents.
When we want
Impressions of how program operates without interrupting the program.
we can review the memos, minutes, etc. to give the
Give historical information about the implementation of the program. However, we should be quiet.
They are looking for us their daily documents.
Ay ba, mga importante ka natin documents.
Importante dyan ang natin documents, especially yung kanang elementary teacher tapo coaching. Ano naman, it is where we can store their outputs and makikita po yung documents is kanang visual, kanang yung visual na proof ba na makakita nila na kanang or yes, portfolio na makagather yung information which makikita nyo nga natin yung documents